How do you feel that? But I got a new kitty. Here it is. I don't know if we can get the camera to focus. Here he is. Wait, guys. I'm gonna get the camera focused. Wait. Focus. There's the one little kitty that I just got. Guys, I'll be back. Like a magic. Here's baby Mojo. I'm gonna show my viewers they're actually viewers. So guys, I know that came back to so I was showing you guys Mushu that.
Oh shoot, guys! Sorry if my camera fell.
Guys,
Glitch.
I'm gonna do something.
We're back.
Mira, Daniel, lo que te dije, que no quiero que andes haciendo chingaderas, están los cables.
I barely
No entiendes, ¿verdad?
any videos in the weekend or show me
Yeah.
Yeah, I will do that soon.
So guys,
Yeah, in 10
so everything.
I'm sorry, guys.
So everything.
It's okay, just.
So we're getting caterpillars in 2 weeks, and I got flowers and another stuff. It's cool right now.
Say hi, Daniel.
Hi. So
That's me. Now.
I'm gonna do my camera. So today we're doing like a project. We might do a project. We don't know yet. Maybe it's just a hello. Or we might feed the cat today. It's the first time guys ever saw me logging and feeding a freaking cat. First time you ever saw me logging like this. And what now, let's get into the video. Let's get into the video.
Last night was gold. We heard like this knocking sound like. That's
Yeah.
what we heard, but that
We
was
heard
the
someone knocking on the door like yesterday. It was so creepy.
night. So
It was like
I'm so sorry. I did not do a video that time.
This is no Leo better here today.
¿Por qué?
No es Lip. Luego yo le hablo y no contesta. Dices algo y no.
So
Desde todo lo pillamos con No se duerme para que
no dormimos como los 11. We never did get that. So can you leave 10 likes on this video? 10 likes, please, guys. Please, 10 likes.
Please, at least after we get like 100 likes or something. Please.
Give us 10 or whatever likes you want,
Like I don't care about like subscribing or anything.
guys.
But like
Let's disappear.
subscribe or
We're disappearing.
like guys.
We disappeared, guys. We disappeared from a distance. I know that it's like
I'm back. You know I tried to do that.
we disappeared. It was freaking far distance. I disappeared. I see it night outside. It's not outside, guys. And can you be in a video? Like in a video online? Like one of my real videos? Can you be in one? Yes or no? Can you be in one of my real videos, thesis? Yes or no? No? Okay?
So dudes.
Guys, turn around the house this time. And guys,
Okay.
because I was trying to show you, pops up easily now. Here he is. I don't know if you guys can see that very much. There's a dark screen right there. He is. It's right there with a dark screen. It's half adding a dark screen. I can't add a lighter screen there, so we're gonna feed.
Here, guys.
Oh, I'm not gonna get enough video for this video. What? Okay. So,
So, guys.
video. Goes big.